when I was in 12th class, so there is no good teacher in government school. If I talk about, they always say that you should you should not study deep, but you should study for marks, for percentage, but you should not study deep. So according to me, it should be changed.
How we
As
can
I
change
feel.
this? How we can change this type of education system? Because as you know that also even the students wants this, because they want only that we will get only 33
You know that
number,
when
then
I
we will
was in
pass.
12th class, I also think that how we can change. There is no, there is no mistake in education system. But now I am graduated, so I think that it should be changed according to students. You know that when we live in school times, so we don't know that what is good for us. If I talk about after 12th class, every student is mature. He knows that what should we do in our life and how we can get success in our life. When we study in 12th class, so there is no good thinking. We always think about marks, percentage. So if we think, we are a student, if we think about that, now if I talk about us, now we have I can say that now we have waste our time. 12th class, we should do something like that. Who is the next generation, it will not waste his time. According to me, we should change according to us.
Okay, can you tell me that only one way, that by that way we can change our education system?
Firstly, ma'am, we should search about that. If we do this, so what is the result of this? So we cannot we cannot say that it should be changed according to. I know only some point that it is not good for education.
Okay, so if you want to take steps, so what will your first step? You will collect the students. You will go firstly for your HC, where you will go.
Firstly, if I have this opportunity, that what should I change according to me? Firstly, I will change teachers' thinking. I will say that who is a government teacher, what has his quality, that he is able to teach or not. He also motivated or not. Firstly, I will think.
But as I can also see that as I can also see in government, that if you are preparing for any government job, so you have full of motivated when you are
Yes.
going for job. But when
No,
you
ma'am,
go,
we cannot
when you
say
have gotten the job, but then your mentality, your motivation has lost.
It happens, that why we think about that. If I want to get a government job, that after government job we think that we will live luxury life. It is sad, it happens. After getting job, who will see us that we are working good or not? No one will see. We will take we will take money, we will work not hard, only we will work normally. So every person wants to get job every person want to go in government sector. This is the reason. If I talk about private sector, so we will have to work hard day by day, but there is no need. There is only 3 or 4 years. If we work hard, so we can get. So this is the reason.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Nice to talk with you.
Same to you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm also fine. Now, ma'am, as you know that it is going on in a news channel that parliament members talking about India, that should we change India? Should we change India into Bharat? So, what do you think about this type of work?
According to me, now I also listened. I also read this news in newspaper. If I talk about, there is also 2 names of India and Bharat. If I talk about India, this is related to English. Who gave England person? This India.
Is called India.
It is they called India, but it is not our real name. It is not our country's name. If I talk about Bharat, so it is normal name Bharat. But according to me, it should be changed or not, I don't know. There is also issue Sanatan Dharma.
Yes.
According to me, if we want to change Sanatan Dharma, firstly we should think if we are living in India, we are safe or not. You know that what is the meaning of Sanatan? What is the meaning of Sanatan? it is said that who worship more than enough to God, that is called Sanatan. But there is no matter.
So why it happens that in our country when we talk about Sanatan Dharma, so why it happens that some people fight with you that you are talking about Sanatan Dharma, like other people.
They will say because Sanatan mean there is lives. If I talk about India, there lives many castes. So we cannot say that we should give this name. We should give this name. We will have to consider every issue that what is this. So we cannot give directly that we cannot call it Sanatan.
Okay.
So this is.
So ma'am, tell me that suppose you are a prime minister in our country. So what will you change? What will you different thing you will
Firstly,
change?
if I get this opportunity for prime minister, it is also good thing. Firstly, I will think. I will collect knowledge related to this. That what is this? Then I will step. If I talk about that in which field I will change. So firstly, I want to change the education system. So our education system, according to me, it is not good, and no one party pay attention in education system. We always think about vote. Our parties like BJP, Sabha, Baspa, they always think about vote.
So
there is no matter that what is going on in our India and what is good for student, what is good for people.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Nice to talk to you. Have a good day to all.